Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at this problem. 4 and 1/3 take away 2/3. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is write this on my board. 4 and 1/3 take away 2/3. Now we know that when we are working with mixed numbers and we're adding and subtracting, we want to add and subtract our whole parts together and our fraction parts together. And I like to start out with the fraction parts. That's my favorite part. It just helps me so that if I need to make some adjustments with my whole numbers, I can do that still. So let's see here. So I've got 1/3 take away 2/3. Oh, are you guys noticing something right away? How am I supposed to take 2 away from 1? If I said, give me 2 pieces of gum, please, and you only had 1, you wouldn't be able to do it. And this is the same thing. We can't take 2 away from 1 because we don't have 2 to give. So I'm going to come over here and to my whole number and say, hey, can I borrow some from you? And that whole number 4 is going to say, sure thing. So we're going to make this whole number a 3, and we're going to borrow 1 whole from it. And that 1 whole is going to be, and I'm looking at my denominator, that fancy form of 1, which is going to be 3/3. So I'm going to add that 3/3 to my 1/3, and I'm going to get, let's see here, 3 and 1 is, let me grab my tools this way. I'm going to get 4/3. All right, now that I've regrouped, I can write my problem again. 4/3 take away 2/3. So 4 take away 2 is 2. We keep our 3. So we've got 2/3. That's a good fraction. It's not improper. We don't have any simplifying to do. So 2/3 is going to be my fraction part. But I'm not done. Let me come back here and look at my whole numbers. I've got now 3 and nothing. Well, 3 take away nothing leaves me with 3. And my fraction part was 2/3. So this difference between 4 and 1/3 and 2/3 is going to be 3 and 2/3. Make sure your Desmos looks just like mine. If you need to make any adjustments on your whiteboard, go right ahead and do that.